शान्तं पद्मासनस्थं शशधरमकुटं पञ्चवक्त्रं त्रिनेत्रं शूलं वज्रं च खड्गं परशुमभयदं दक्षभागे वहन्तं नागं पाशं च घण्टां प्रलयहुतवहं चाङ्कुशं वामभागे नानालङ्कारयुक्तं स्फटिकमणिनिभं पार्वतीशं नमामि। There are plenty famous quotes by historians and travel videos on Varanasi from the tourist perspective or historical significance. But a Tirthayatri looks at Varanasi as Kashi. In 18 Puranas, Skanda Purana is one of the Mahapurana or most significant one. This Skanda Mahapurana has a dedicated part that is known as Kashi Khanda. In this Kashi Khanda, Kashi's atlas or boundaries, places of temples, their significance, temple specific rituals, history, and everything else has been described. It is like an ancient directory of Kashi. Only in Kashi, the river Ganga flows towards north direction. After the Kashi region ends, it turns into other direction again. That is why it is known as Uttaravahini, Ganga Uttaravahini Kshetra. The shape of Kashi is similar to castor leaf. That is why it is called as Eranda Patramakaram. The places out of that region are the castor leaf shape are not Kashi. For instance, Banaras Hindu University, Sampurnananda University, airport, they are not part of Kashi. There are 84 ghats in Varanasi. Here in this picture, only 13 major ghats have been named. There are several other ghats in between them. These ghats are built by various kings and other families so that they can use the place for stay and performance of rituals whenever they visit Kashi. Sri Ramacharita is more popular than Valmiki Ramayana in North India. This Ramacharita was composed by Sri Tulsidas at the banks of Ganga river. That place is known as Tulsi Ghat today. The original copy of that Tulsi Ramacharita is still intact. Apart from Vishwanath temple, there is Vishalakshi Sannidhi and Mata Annapurneshwari Mandir and Durga Parameshwari temple near the Durga Kunda and Kalabhairashwara temple and Sankatamochana Hanuman Mandir are the major temples in Varanasi. There are 5 dimensions in the Kashi Mandala: Antargraha, Ayumukta Kshetra, Nagara Pradakshina Kshetra, Panchakoshi Yatra Kshetra, and Chaurasi Koshi Yatra Kshetra, means 84 Kosha Kshetra. These 5 dimensions collectively known as Kashi Mandala. There are 3 khandas within this Kashi Mandala. They are known as Vishweshwara Khanda, Omkareshwara Khanda, and Kedareshwara Khanda. This Kashi Mandala has 108 temples along with its boundaries. This is the Adhidaivika dimension of Kashi. People do Panchakoshi Yatra by walk, in which they visit all these 108 temples. This Panchakoshi Yatra starts from the point of Manikarnika Ghat and covering all 108 tirthas, it ends here again. It takes around 7 to 8 days of walk to complete this yatra. Every year, millions of devotees complete this Panchakoshi Yatra. But Adhika Masa is considered as right time to do this parikrama. Here in this map, you may see all the deities residing in these 108 places. In south direction, Assi river is flowing. In the north, Varuna river is joining the Ganga. This region or Kashi Khanda is situated in between these Varuna and Assi rivers. That is why it is known as Varanasi also. This is current situation of Varanasi Vishwanath temple. Here you may see 3 shrines. This is Kashi Vishwanath temple and it is around 300 meters from the river. The original place of the Kashi Vishwanath temple used to be this, the 3 white color gumbaj you may see here. This is known as Gyanavapi Masjid now. Earlier the temple was here only, but the Muslim invaders destroyed the Kashi Vishwanath temple in this Gyanavapi place and built a masjid. In later times, Ahalya Bai Holkar has built this current temple in different place. It is unfortunate that they couldn't build the temple at its original place. However, currently Prime Minister Shri Modi ji has cleared this space and now he is constructing a Vishwanath corridor here. The idea is to make temple visible from the river. He had to remove so many buildings to make this possible. That is why this space looks empty right now.
केशवाय स्वाहा। ओम अमृताविष्णो धर्मावस्थांगतो विवाय स्मरे कुंडलीकाक्षं दवायाभ्यन्तरस्थे कुंडलीकाक्ष पुनातो कुंडलीकाक्ष पुनातो कुंडलीकाक्ष पुनातो मृत्युवेदमन्दस्येवृष्णन्द्रेणगरञ्जन्दा गुरुमदेवतासने विनियोगः मृत्युवेदयादयालोका देवी त्वं विष्णुनादिता संविधाय मां देवी पवित्रं कुर्यासनं कुदासनाय महासर्वोपचारार्थे गन्धाक्षरपुष्पाणि समर्पयामि। दीर्घदर्शमहाकाय गर्भान्तदानोपमा भैरवाय नमस्तुभ्यं नमस्कृतं दास्वरवि भैरवाय महासर्वोपचारार्थे गन्धाक्षरपुष्पाणि समर्पयामि। मोदीवदेव रूपत्वं गर्भधात्री यावद्गर्भसमाप्तिः स्यात् तावत् त्वं सुखिनो भवदेवताभ्यो नमः। सर्वोपचारार्थे गन्धाक्षरपुष्पाणि समर्पयामि। हरि ओं महादेवः शान्तिरान्ताय जगुं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिलोकलयः शान्तिः पर्वतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिर्ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुं शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि यतो श्रीवादिविश्वसाम्बुदाय महात्मन्यं समर्पयामि। ओम रौद्रसाम्रो वर्णोदनपुरोमङ्गलाय जैनकुमुद्राहरियोदिकृताः दादशो वैशाखे जयीमहे श्रीवादिविश्वसाम्बुदाय